Hey guys, this is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. As always, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own project and is not affiliated with Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. That being said, let's get right into it. So reviews, I think we all know the importance of reviews. That just gives you social credibility. If you go on Amazon, which product are you going to buy? The one with 2 reviews or 1,000 reviews? Even if the one with 2 reviews has 5 stars and the one with 1,000 reviews has 4, you're probably going to go with the other one because it's been tested, you know. Generally speaking, that reviews on Amazon are not easily falsified, so there's some social credibility lent to that product. Same idea for vendors. You want to get reviews so that other people can see that you're legit. Not only are you legit, like you're a real person and a real business, but also hopefully that you get good reviews. And so people can build on that and see, oh, well, this person has good reviews. They're going to do a good job for me. Really, it's that simple. So let's talk about reviews. 1, the customer has 30 days from the end of the booking to leave a review. So keep that in mind. This is from the customer. This is mainly going to deal with them because they're the one leaving the review. So they have 30 days from the end of the booking to leave a review. And they can add photos, but not videos. So photos are also cool on reviews. Now, the next thing, and this is really going to be the most important thing that I want you guys to understand, is going to be the difference between what we call a customer booking or a business booking. A customer booking would be defined as a booking that was created by the customer. Pretty straightforward. So business booking, the same. That would be a booking that was made by the business. So if you are going in and making appointments for your customers, maybe they're not that tech savvy. Okay, fair enough. That would be a business booking. If other people are finding your profile and booking with you, that's a customer booking. Got it. Why am I bringing this up? Because that is going to affect the reviews in 2 ways. In the case of a customer booking, someone has the app, they have an account, they found you, they booked with you. That's all normal. Whenever they finish the booking, they're going to get a notification requesting a review, to leave you a review from Booksy. Normal, as people would expect. Now, what about a business booking? In the case of a business booking, the customer is not going to get an automatic heads up. They're not going to get a request or a notification or anything like that to leave a review. So that's one thing, but you can still ask them to leave a review. When will they be able to leave a review? First thing, I'll need to bring up the web app. So let's check this out. You see how this user has a little B next to it? That means they're a Booksy user. So that means this client card is connected to a legitimate Booksy account. So there's actually a real person on the other end of this card. So in that case, that person is going to be able to leave a review. If they don't have this, then that means they're not a Booksy user. They're not going to be able to leave a review. So we got that. So this is for business booking. The business booking, you book the appointment for them. You see that they're a Booksy user. Now, how are they going to leave a review? In that case, it's really quite simple. All you have to do, and this is for the customer, they have to just go to your profile. And then on the left-hand side here, there's a bunch of different things. You'll just go to reviews. I don't have any past appointments in here, but you would just go here and then you would leave your review. So really simple one today, guys. Nothing too complex, but this is something I do get questions about. And reviews are definitely something that can impact your success with the app. So you should definitely be urging any of your customers that are Booksy users to leave reviews for you. That is definitely going to make an impact in terms of getting people to book with you. If you have 0 reviews, it's going to be very difficult. So getting those first few reviews is very critical. If you have 100 reviews, getting another one probably is not going to make a big difference. But if you have 0, 1, or 2, getting a few more in there makes a really big difference. So keep that in mind, guys. Quick summary, reviews, if it's a customer booking, a Booksy user makes the appointment, they'll get a prompt to leave a review, and hopefully they do. If it's not a customer booking, you made the appointment, then you can ask them to leave a review. Only if they're a Booksy user will they be able to do so. So they have to be a Booksy user. All they have to do is go into their profile, go into reviews, leave you a review, and it's really that easy. You also do have the ability to respond to reviews, whether positive or negative. So keep that in mind as well. Sometimes people think that is beneficial as well. So that's everything about reviews, guys. As I said, don't sleep on this. This is something that can really impact your bottom line, getting people more people through the door and building up your social credibility within Booksy. As always, if you did get anything out of this video, please like and subscribe. That does help me. If you want to get 50% off your first 2 months using Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link in the description below, and I'll see you on the next one.